What is good with you guys? Nice, man. We are back. We are back. We are back. This is BS9, man. And this was a very long trade, but this is how I made $7,098, guys. And this was like a dang near a whole hour, bro. So 12:28 all the way to 1:22. So literally, guys, it was 52 minutes, bro. So a 52-minute trade. Come on, man. This was a crazy trade. So let me go ahead and show y'all how we actually did it. Let's get into markets right about now, man. We on our live account. As y'all can see, I took a 40K withdrawal, by the way, guys. I took a $40,000 withdrawal recently, like 40 something thousand, right? And guys, I've been feeling amazing ever since. I'm ready to make that right back immediately. As y'all can see, guys, $7,098 today, made today. And this is exactly what we done, bro. Let me go ahead and scroll this down. As y'all can see, this is live, everything like that. So let's go ahead and show y'all, man. It's been a very good day, bro. This is the new BS9. We locked in. We back in that mode ever since that trading promise, guys. I told y'all. So I was looking at the market and everything like that, guys, as y'all can see, right? And I was just kept on looking, right? And this trade, I kind of entered late. I woke up late, everything like that, right? So I had to look backwards a little bit, not too much, about 9:30 area, just to see what's happening by these areas. So it went from 29,480, guys, all the way down to 29,227. That's 200, about 50 points, right? 250 points or so, right? And actually went down to 29,220. So it's actually more than that. So just seeing that in general, about 260 points dropped. I seen it come back up by this area sooner or later, right? As you can see, 1143, 466, dropped all the way down 429, which is about 40 points. This is about the time I woke up and everything like that. So, and then I've seen it come back up to 485, a little bit above where it actually start falling at the initial fall. And then it dropped all the way down from 485 or so to 392. So that's dang near, that's about 90 points. Okay. So 93 points. So I'm seeing it drop 93 points from this area to this area. And then I see this crazy insanity happen, right? I was expecting it to drop a little bit closer to these kind of areas, right? And then see what can happen by these areas. But guess what? It didn't really drop that much by this area. You know, I thought it was going to continue dropping right here. It didn't do that, right? Came back up right here to 423 from 490, about 30 points. Came back down 30 points, went all the way up many points, about 60 points right here, guys. And then it dropped back down. And then it started to create a consolidation zone. So this whole place was consolidating, basically, guys. That's what I kept on seeing. That's what I kept on trying to understand what was actually going to happen with the market after the consolidation phase is finished. So after that is when I kept on waiting. I actually entered right here, though, guys. So I waited these few minutes, a good amount of minutes, and then I entered right here at about 12:28 p.m., guys. So that's exactly when I entered. I entered at 12:28 p.m. I seen an initial drop, which made me very happy, guys. I was up about from, let me see, from here, damn near $4,000 by this area, guys, right? But then, you know, I kept on waiting. I thought it was going to just immediately go down, drop, finish it up. You know, that's what happens a lot of times, guys. But I really want to say this to you guys real quickly. If you're in a stage where you think the trade is going to go faster than what it really goes, and it doesn't happen like that, and it doesn't move like that, and that doesn't happen, don't worry, bro. Don't be mad. Don't be like this, that, and the third. Wait it out. You know, but if you're in a good position with a lot of profits and you're ready to get out, just drag down and get out. But don't ever drag to break even, everything like that. As y'all can see, you know, y'all seen the trade already, but I'll show y'all a little bit more of the trade. That shit will hit break even 45 times, guys. So it literally hit my break even 45 times. So let's just be honest, right? Forget the break even shit, right? Let's continue with what I was saying. So like I was saying from the beginning, guys, if you see it doing that, if you're ready to get out, get out. Get out when you can get out, but in profits, and just get out for the day. Don't retest. Don't try to get back in. That means, guys, when you don't trust your trade, or if you do trust your trade to a certain point and you want to get out, don't get back in. There's no point, even if it comes back to the same position, same entry position, don't get back in. That's what people do with the break-even things. They always lose like that, and you'll lose like that because anything can happen, right? So let me go back into the markets and show y'all what exactly I'm talking about. So as y'all can see, this is my break-even area, about 413, everything like that. Seen a drop right here, made about 4K, damn near 4K, 3,900, something like that. Jump back up here by this area. This is when I was super mad. Like, damn, bruh. what is it doing? What's the market trying to do, bro? Is it really trying to stop me out? But I'm like, nah, I trust in this trade. So this was about 2 points away from my stop loss. So this was like $2,500 drawdown, right? $2,500, $2,600 drawdown. And then it dropped back, went back to the entry. So as you can see, if I had it on break even by this area, because it's basically halfway there, then I would have lost the whole, I would have lost the trade, right? Because it would have hit my break even immediately. And if I entered again, and guess what would have happened? As soon as it stopped me out, let's say I entered again immediately or something like that, it still went up a good amount, guys. And then it went back down. And now it went back down all the way to this area, bro. This is when I was really like, damn, should I start dragging down or should I not? But then I trust this trade a lot, but it's like, at the same time, you want to be, it's better safe than sorry, guys. You know what I'm saying? Because this right here is already about 22 minutes of a trade, right? It's 12:50 right here. It's about 22 minutes in. I'm like, damn, I'm about to just get out, take a good day, take a good win, and get off for the day. That's what I always tell you guys, man. If you want to get off for the day. Don't get back on. That's what I always do. I really take 1 to 2 trades maximum. Really one trade a session, like really one trade a whole trading day, and I just off for the day. Maybe 2 trades a trading session sometimes. It really depends if I want to take a Tokyo trade or not. So guys, that's exactly what I've done, right? As y'all can see. So I was about to get out. I just said, forget it, bro. I'm not getting out, okay? Now look, went all the way up here by this area, guys, which is very crazy. Back to the break even. This is insane, guys. When I seen these 2 candles, I was like, damn, 2 candles with all this much velocity is insane, bro. With this much volume is insane. With this much liquidation in general, this is insane. This is like a liquidity candle, liquidity grab right here. And I'm like, damn, but it can't liquidity grab and go up because I already knew that it has to go all the way down a good amount more. So guys, I stayed in the trade. If you was in break even yet again, guys, you would have got stopped out right here, right? And then what? Entered again? How many more times are you going to enter, bro? You see? This is why I don't recommend that. But guys, after that, jumped up, went down by this area again, went back up close to this area. None of these were bigger than, the first initial actual drawdown that I had, right? When I had a lot of drawdown right here. None of these were close to that, right? It was close, but it was just not gonna, it was not there, right? So this is the 3rd time, guys, and all these candles are hitting my break-even point. So I would have been stopped out many times, okay? Went back down, created a lower high. Finally, we created the lower low that I needed. And guys, this trade, like I told y'all, it took 52 minutes or so, bro. This was an insane trade. It was a good trade at the end of the day, but it did take a long ass time, bro, that I didn't expect to wait. I didn't expect to wait this long, bro. It didn't even take 52 minutes. It took 54 minutes to be exact. So I didn't expect to wait 54 minutes for a freaking trade, but I did. And at the end of the day, it worked out, chat. So I just really want to say, sometimes it takes time, but if you have the trade on your mind, you'll win. If you have the money on your mind, sometimes you'll lose, okay? Most of the time you'll lose, actually. But if you have the trade on your mind, most of the time you'll win. Because the trade being on your mind will help you rather than the money being on your mind, which will lose you, guys. That's why I always say, play it smart. Play the prop firm smart. Don't be dumb. That's why these trade sinkers are really there to destroy you. That's why all these prop firms are teaming up with these trade sinkers nowadays, guys. Why do you think it is, guys? Because with a trade sinker, you can get with multiple prop firms, right? And you can connect them together, guys. And you can do it on TradingView too. I know a lot of y'all use TradingView, you know what I'm saying, and everything like that. You could do it on TradingView. So you really got to think, guys. Do they want you to win or do they want you to lose? Why are they teaming up? Obviously, there's paycheck, they're all getting paid and everything like that. And it's a good product in a way. But they're doing that because they want you to get 40 accounts at one time. Trade it all at one time. And guess what you did? You just lost. You literally lost $4,000 or damn near 4,000 or more than 4,000, depending on what account size you got. You lost 4K like it's nothing. You don't have money like that to spend, bro. You don't have money like that to spend. The reward might be up. The risk is too much, though, for the reward. Because the reward might not come that easily. And because you have so many accounts, you might get more nervous. Because you have so many accounts, you might get more just mentally attacked, Yes, maybe I can do it. But that doesn't mean you could do it yet. Wait it out. Don't trust these people that you see with these trade sinkers and everything like that. Because they can lead you to the wrong path if you start using these trade sinkers. Trust me, all these trade sinkers are partnered with prop firms now. For a reason, guys. There's a big game into this. So you can get multiple accounts and multiple props in. Boom, you just lost $2,000. Not 20K, but $2,000. Boom, you just lost 1,000. Boom, you just lost 3,000. You don't got that? You saved up for that. So don't be dumb and do it. I always say be smart and scale. Scale, bro. Scale. Then you can get your own live account like me. BS9, I got a live account with Lucid Trading. I have a live account. I had a live account with Tradeify. I went live with Tradeify 3 to 4 times, guys. But you know, when you lose the live with with some props, you get a 4-week ban. So now I'm back to Tradeify and I'm back going crazy. Get y'all Tradeify account to start though. That's the best account. That's the best funded account to start. That's factual. And then scale. With an Alpha, I have a live account with Alpha. You know, be smart, guys. Be smart. And I have my own live account, which is this one that I'm showing you guys. So I'm using this on multiple scales, guys. But that's only because I've scaled to this point. That's not because I just 10K, 5K. Niggas ain't got it like that when I first started. When you first start, you don't have it like that. You might have 10K saved up. You don't want to spend no 2K each time. That's 5 times you lost everything, bro. Come on, bro. Be smart. Get your Tradeify account. Start slow. Start with 1 account. Telling you, it gets to that level. And even when you're there, that doesn't mean use all these platforms, all these trades, because you still can lose a lot of money. Even if you have 20K in pals, 30K in pals, you can lose that like that, guys. I've lost it like that in the past. Yes, I might be getting hundreds of Ks in pals from props, for example, just from props. That doesn't mean nothing, guys. Even if you get in it every week, even if I'm getting 300K a week, 200K a week, because I have all these props, all these accounts, I could still lose 100K that fast. So guys, pray to God, stay with God, and He'll open your mind for these things. But I really had to tell y'all this. Stay S9, man. And at the end of the day, NQ, what do?